In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of tasks on ClickUp. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type ClickUp, then open the official ClickUp website from the results. Once you're in your workspace, navigate to the space where your task lives. This ensures you're working in the correct context, and you can immediately see the change in your usual views, like list, board, or calendar. Open the task by clicking its title. This brings up the task window with all its details. Near the task title, you'll see a small color box, or a color icon. It's usually aligned with the title area and can appear as a tiny square or swatch. Click that color box to open the color picker. If you don't notice it right away, hover near the title or look to the right side of the header. It's easy to miss the first time. A palette will appear with a selection of preset colors. Click any color you like, and you'll see the task update immediately. The change is instant, so you can quickly test a few options to see what looks best. This color helps you visually scan your workspace faster, especially in views with many tasks. Choose something that stands out but still fits your workflow, like one color for priority items and another for routine work. If you want a specific hue that isn't in the presets, you can create a custom color. In the same palette, click the plus sign to open the custom color editor. Here, you can adjust the hue and saturation until you get the exact shade you want. If you work with brand colors or a consistent system, this is a great way to keep everything aligned. You'll see a live preview as you drag the selector. So fine-tune it until it looks right on your screen and remains readable alongside your task title. When you're happy with the custom color, click Save. The task updates immediately with your chosen color, and that change carries across your views, helping you maintain a clear visual system. If the color looks too similar to other elements in your workspace, reopen the picker and choose a higher contrast option for better visibility. That's all there is to it. Open the task, click the color box next to the title, pick a preset or create your own, and save. Use this to make important tasks pop, keep categories consistent, and speed up your daily scan of ClickUp.